So I'm now going to turn this over to Elizabeth Wydra.
Thank you, Ron. My name is Elizabeth Wydra. I'm Chief Counsel at the Constitutional Accountability Center, and I represent more than 500 state legislators from every state in the country, the District of Columbia and Puerto Rico, who support the Affordable Care Act and strongly disagree with the 26 states that have challenged the constitutionality of the act. I was there in the court today, and I agree with my colleagues that I think that the court will likely not punt the issue by applying the Anti-Injunction Act, and instead will get to the merits of the case. And so the real controversy and discussion will begin tomorrow when the court starts to listen to the merits of the case, and in particular whether or not the minimum coverage provision, or the so-called individual mandate, is constitutional. And the state legislators who I represent say that it is constitutional, that it's good for the states, that it's good for the state's citizens, and they are eager for the court to get to a decision on the merits, upholding the constitutionality of the Affordable Care Act, so they can continue with the work that they are doing to implement the Affordable Care Act and get millions of their residents access to quality, affordable health care. And when these arguments happen over the next 2 days, the mandate argument tomorrow and the argument on Wednesday about whether or not the Affordable Care Act's expansion of Medicaid, which will allow 16 million more people access to quality, affordable health care, when we're hearing those arguments and you see the lawyer for the 26 challenging states up there arguing that the states don't like the Affordable Care Act, I hope that you will remember that those lawyers do not represent the states as a whole. There are many state leaders, the more than 500 state legislators whom I represent, as well as other states and governors who strongly disagree with this view and think that the act is constitutional and it's a great deal for the states and their citizens. Thank you.
Woo! Yes. What was your feeling of the split on the justices as they were listening to this argument?
You know, I would never make a prediction about the Supreme Court because they always can surprise someone, you know, witness Citizens United. But I think that the majority of the justices, perhaps even unanimously, I think are ready to get to the merits of the case and will not apply the Anti-Injunction Act. That seemed to be the tenor of the arguments today.
Any other questions?
Are there any other questions?
Thank you. Thank you. Hearing none.